To show an ongoing icon on your Galaxy Watch when playing media on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap advanced features. Under media control section, tap the gray on off switch next to show ongoing icon until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, play media on the phone. As the example, we will play song on Spotify. As you can see, the icon of app you are using to play media, in this case Spotify, is displayed on your Galaxy Watch. If needed, you can tap the icon to open up the playback control. Given to the function, showing the app icon playing media on your Galaxy Watch will make it easier to control playback. Use what app on the phone playing the media right from your wrist. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.